Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Miguel here from CFS Recovery. I'm here at my desk right now, but I just wanted to make this really quick, very quick announcement. No long video needed for this, but I started a Instagram page dedicated to pretty much the topics we talk about on this channel, to CFS Recovery, to help, give you guys tips, give you guys strategies to heal. So if you do watch all the content on this channel, I know there's a few people who are very into the videos that I've been creating. They're commenting, they're getting very engaged. Well, this is just another level of communication. So I'm gonna be posting stuff on this page that I don't really post on YouTube, and that YouTube doesn't allow me to. Things like questions, polls, we'll do Q&As, we'll do lives, things like that. So if you haven't already, just wanted to make this quick announcement, go ahead and follow CFS Recovery right now. It's up on the screen somewhere right here, and you'll be able to stay in the loop. A lot of the things that are in the works right now to really give back to you guys and help you guys recover. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, another video coming out tomorrow. So stay tuned. Have a great day. See you guys in the next video.